is currently 5 o'clock. I've been filming since 2. Tired. 3 hours of filming. Like, these hauls are no joke. Like, taking these clothes off, putting them on, then you gotta sit up here and do the intro, the outro, then you gotta clean up your room afterwards. Like, my room is in shambles. We're not gonna even show, I'm not gonna show it, but yeah. So I'm about to take off my clothes, and before I even like touch anything, I'm gonna just turn off everything, take a moment to like breathe. I'm craving guacamole and chips, so that's what I'm about to eat with some water on the side. I'm really trying to be healthy. Y'all would be proud. Y'all, I had breakfast this morning, so I'm trying to do like a no bread, no red meat, and it's something else. Like, me and my older sister started doing it together. So I had breakfast this morning, and I hate spinach unless it's in a smoothie, but I was like, okay, can't have bread with my little sausage patties. And it was turkey sausage, so I was like, okay, like, what can I make? So we had some eggs left over, so I just took like a pound of spinach, because you know a pound is like this much. So I took like a pound of spinach, put it in the pot, threw some cheese on there, and those were some of the best. It was basically spinach with a side of eggs, because it was that much spinach that I made, but I was like, I'm gonna eat all of it. So I had like spinach and eggs with cheese, and then the turkey sausage. Bill Bagay. I was like, oh, this is tasty. I'm on a roll, okay? Like, healthy me, here I come. So I'm starting off small. Like, before I like try to go hound myself in the gym, I'm gonna just like try to start eating healthy first, because that's where it starts. So slowly but surely, I'm gonna work my way up to like a nice clean eating habit. Doesn't mean I'm gonna stop eating what I normally eat. I'm just not gonna eat it as much as I eat it. So I'm gonna try to like switch what I do. In saying that, pardon me, I'm trying to eat more healthy and less junk food versus more junk food and health, like tiny bits of healthy food. Like, sometimes I'll eat healthy, and then most of the time I'm like, I want chips, I want soda, I want this. So yeah, so now I'm trying to like maybe eat junk food on the weekends only. Like, okay, like get a burger on the weekend and blah blah blah, stuff like that. But it's hard when you live in a Haitian household, because we love red meat, and your girl can't go too long without grilled. So next time, luckily my mom doesn't make it like all the time. Like, we don't really eat red meat that much in the house anyways. So like, my mom makes grilled once in a blue moon, but when she does, I will be indulging. I can't stop eating burgers, because burgers are one of my favorite foods, so that's not gonna happen. But you know, we're gonna just dial back. We're gonna dial it on back. I'm gonna try to eat more spinach. I hate spinach, but today I liked it. So maybe if I like start sneaking it into some of my foods, I'll like start to like it more. Catch my drift? So we'll see how that goes, because I'm trying to do it that way, and that way I won't like shock my body. I'm like, what are you doing? I don't want to eat this. Take the greens away and give me some Cheeto Puffs. So we're gonna just balance it out, but you know, do like 80% healthy, 20% junk, versus 20% healthy, 80% junk. I think I said that right. You guys catch my drift. Are you ready to be on my YouTube channel?
YouTube channel?
Yeah. Are you gonna give life lessons?
I'm gonna give
No, she's a destroyer. She is a destroyer, as a matter of fact. Daddy, I wouldn't trust her. You call Fanta with those. Mommy is sleeping.
Sorry, June.
Oh boy. I don't know what to do with these girls.
Daddy, look.
What? Daddy, what's the problem? I'm not that much of a headache, am I?
This is not what Cassie told me.
Cassie be lying. Cassie tell lies. Oh.
Good morning, all. It, you know, new me, got my good wig on. Hey, oh, inches back. Hey, Hey, so yeah, got my wig on because I am going to Disney World tomorrow. I'm so excited. One of my best friends, I haven't seen her in a few weeks because we went to a wedding together last month. I was about to say last year, but yeah, well, last year technically, last month. So we went to a wedding in December and I got to see her, and so I'm supposed to be packing. I ended up deciding to catch up on This Is Us. I stopped watching it after the episode. I mean, if you haven't ever watched it, I'm gonna just say that somebody passed in an episode, so I don't spoil it for you. But somebody passed in an episode, and I mean, I cry every single episode. I mean, like full-blown tears, not a drill. So I was just not emotionally, I was in the right emotional state of mind after graduation to be watching that show, so I just kind of let it go. But the new season started, so I was like, let me just get back on the bandwagon. Who am I kidding? So I'm eating my little meal prep meal. Right now it looks like baby food mush because I like chopped it all up. But I just have veggies, a sweet potato, and then some tilapia. I'm trying to be a better me for real. Aren't y'all proud? Like, sure, I had some M&Ms today, but also I'm eating this for lunch. So, I mean, that kind of just cancels out the M&Ms in my mind.
12 seconds later.
I'm sorry.
I'm a mess.
You know, ever since that camp, just like broke me open. I don't have therapy.
One that I taught him how to drive. No. I got all 3 kids in the driveway there. Randall hops in the car excited.
Oh, the kid just threw it in reverse and zoomed straight back like a bat out of hell.
I love that.
Really sweet, really good down there.